Hey friends, who's hungry? Bacon Cheeseburger stuffed French bread has all the fixins of a cheeseburger without firing up the grill. First, brown 1.5 pounds of hamburger meat and 1/4 cup of diced onion in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the ground beef is no longer pink, drain the grease from the pan. Next, add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 14.5-ounce can of petite diced tomato, 2 tablespoons of pickle relish, and half a cup of cooked diced bacon. Mix until all the ingredients are well combined. In a small mixing bowl, combine 1 10-ounce can of cream of mushroom soup, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Whisk everything together, then spoon the mushroom soup into the hamburger mixture along with 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Give everything one more good mix until the cheese is melted. Spoon the hamburger mixture into a hollowed out loaf of French bread and top with 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Bake in a 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the bread is toasted and the cheese is melted.